Hello, my name's Brad Thorlakson, and I'm the Executive Chairman of Tulco Industries. And we're a family-based manufacturer of lumber products in Canada and the United States, and we've been doing this for over 70 years. It's interesting as I've served on the SLB board that there's a lot of things that we share in common, as many of the producers are running world-class manufacturing in rural communities, and we're all very passionate about growing trees and producing sustainable forest products to serve our customers in various markets. And I see that we're shoulder to shoulder as members and producers from various parts of North America. It doesn't matter if you're from Virginia, the South, or Canada. We share those common values and passion about the sustainability and growth of our industry. We look at our competing industries being steel, concrete. They're very well organized and looking to capture market share. So if we're going to compete with these large competitors in the existing and new markets, we're much better to work together with the SLB using AWC, ThinkWood, and WoodWorks programs to build a strong foundation to grow our markets together. I think there's two key elements that the Softwood Lumber Board should be helping us with. That is growing in existing markets and diversifying into new markets. So some of the opportunities that we're exploring with the Softwood Lumber Board is CLT and new building systems and processes to get into more higher, taller buildings and warehouses and other applications. So it's really important that we use that technology and work together to expand in our existing marketplaces and the new applications that we're currently not serving. Educational work that we're doing with architects and educational institutions are really important as part of that portfolio of creating the future leaders and decision makers, so they'll be designing and building with wood in mind and the sustainability so that we can reach our full potential. Clearly that has a longer time horizon, but we are a sustainable industry and growing future crops of trees that need to be harvested. So that work is important in conjunction with some of the shorter term work that we're doing. Also, I think that one of the strengths of the Softwood Lumber Board is they do very good analytics and are generating a very good payback on the investment and balancing the short-term and the long-term investments that are being made by the industry. I think if we didn't have the Softwood Lumber Board, I think at the end of the day, we'd have a smaller market. And I think my view is we need to be aspirational as leaders of the industry to make sure that we keep this important work moving forward so that we can build out the industry's full potential going forward.